could in general be good for India and other sort of emerging economies, that typically when we have a weaker dollar, we tend to do more money comes in to our country, and so that sort of helps like everybody. On the other hand, when you have a very strong dollar, that means a lot of the money gets sucked out of the country. So in general, a weaker dollar is better for India and for other emerging economies. So that's the direct result. Then we can, of course, move to the secondary effect of this, which is the fact that as of today, though, it is very expensive to holiday in America, just because the American dollar
is so strong.
Exactly, has become so strong. And instead, you're better off holidaying in many other parts of the world where the currencies are very cheap. So I think that both the dollar and the Chinese currency, this tells you, are pretty expensive, and there's other data and other anecdotal evidence which exactly backs this up. So the fact is that those are two of the most expensive currencies in the world, and then you have a whole bunch of other currencies which are quite cheap. So those are the places to holiday, and I would dare say that those are also the better places to invest possibly for the next few years. It fits in back to our first point of peak America as well. That the dollar too is very expensive across the world.